Hi, my name is Nurul Nadira binti Muhammad Arif.
Hi, my name is Putra Anis binti Jusairi.
My name is Nur Syafika binti Gani.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Atira Akilah binti Abdullah.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ifah bin Rosli.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shazwa Farhan.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Atira Akilah. I will present question A, which is direct material price. For this question, we use formula standard price of 1 unit material minus actual price of 1 unit material times by total actual quantity of material to use in production. The standard price in this question is 2 ringgit 20 cent and the actual price of 1 unit of material is 2 ringgit and 50 cent. Meanwhile, the total actual quantity is 100,000. So the first step, we need to minus first, which is 2 ringgit 20 cent minus by 2 ringgit 50 cent, and we got negative 30 cent, and then we times by 100,000, which is total actual, and the final answer is negative 30,000, which is it is an adverse or unfavorable.
Okay, hi. So I'll be explaining for question B, which is direct material usage. So the formula is standard quantity required for actual production minus with actual quantity used in actual production, and then times with standard price of 1 unit material. So equals to standard quantity used in 1 unit of product times with actual production unit in bracket minus with actual quantity used in actual product, and then plus times with actual standard price of 1 unit material. So based on the question, 50 kg times with 4,500, that one in bracket, and then minus with 100,000, and then times with 2 ringgit 20 cent. So you will get 225,000 minus with 100,000, and then in bracket the answer you times with 2 ringgit 20 cent. So total is 125,000 minus with 2 ringgit 20 cent. So the final answer is 275,000 favorable. Okay, for question C, which is direct labor rate, the formula standard wage rate per 1 hour of labor minus with actual wage rate per 1 hour of labor in bracket, and then times with the total actual hour labor work. So the calculation is 6 ringgit minus 7 ringgit times with 15,000. So you'll get negative 1 ringgit times with 15,000. So the answer is RM 15,000 adverse / unfavorable. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Shazwa and today I will to present about direct labor efficiency. Okay, for the standard labor, for the direct labor, we use a formula standard labor hour for 1 unit of product, which is 40 hour, times with actual production unit was which is 4,500, and minus with the total actual labor hour is 15,000, and times with the standard wage rate per hour was RM 6 ringgit, and we get 18,000 minus with 15,000, and we get RM 3,000, and times with RM 6 ringgit was 6 ringgit was a standard wage rate per hour, and we get RM 18,000 for favorable. That's all from me. I will pass to next presenter. Thank you.
So next is the question E, which is the variable overhead expenditure. So the formula is going to be budgeted fixed variable overhead minus with the actual variable overhead. So first of all, we're going to calculate the total actual hours times with the standard variable cost per hour, which is 15,000 times 50 ringgits. Then we're going to minus with 70,000, which is the total actual variable overhead cost. So 45,000 minus with 70,000, the answer will be negative 25,000, which is adverse and unfavorable.
I'll be explaining question F, which is variable overhead efficiency. In order for you to get variable overhead efficiency, you need in bracket standard hours of 1 unit output minus actual hour, close the bracket, times with standard variable overhead rate per unit. And then another formula, which is standard hour per 1 unit of product times with actual product cost, close the bracket, times with total actual labor hour. So you will get in bracket 4 hour times 4,500, close the bracket, and then you minus with 15,000, close another bracket, times with RM3, and then in bracket the answer for the first equation will be 18,000 minus 15,000, close the bracket, and then minus another RM3, you will get 3,000 times RM3. So the total answer will be RM 9,000 favorable.
My name is Nurul Shafika binti Gani and my ID card is 012021091662. So I'm going to talk about the last question, which is two possible causes for material price variance. First is the actual price may exceed standard prices because of a change in market condition that causes a general price increase for the types of material used. The second one is the price variance might therefore be beyond the control of the purchasing department. That's all for our group. Thank you.